Today at hand, we're having the Zoho OpenCart integration plugin basically, and it is one of the efficient tools that sets up a connection between your OpenCart platform-based web store and the Zoho itself, and it basically facilitates the store admin to synchronize the store's data such as customer, products, orders with the Zoho CRM for an organized and an effective data management. Apart from that, the store owner can manually sync the data to the Zoho CRM wherever there is an update, and also the store owners can delete or edit the products customers manually on Zoho as required by the admin itself. And the store owners can also import or export the products customers or the orders from Zoho to the OpenCart store as well. So here you can see that I'm at the storefront for the CRM, and I'm under the contact section, and here we have the contacts being synchronized from the OpenCart to the CRM itself. And if I go to the other one, here are the products that we have synchronized from the OpenCart to the CRM, and these are the sales orders that we have basically created in the OpenCart store and synchronized with the CRM there. So I'll be just taking you through the initial configurations there and the rest of the things that are required for this particular plugin to work correctly. So before proceeding further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. If you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So I'll also be showing you how to retrieve the client ID and the secret key for the Zoho OpenCart integration. So that particular client ID and the secret key is used in the admin backend panel for configuring this particular module. And after that, we'll also be showing you how to create an app and how we can add the account token and the refresh token as well within the configuration settings and the rest of the things as well. So let me take you to the admin backend first, and let's see how this OpenCart Zoho connector plugin has the different options there to manage the orders, accounts, and contacts using the admin itself, who has an account at the CRM as well. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. So I'll be logging into my admin panel by entering my username and the password for the same. And as soon as I've logged in, you'll be able to see the configuration there. So on the left hand side, after you've successfully installed this particular plugin, you'll have the Webkul's Zoho connector, and under that we have the configuration option. So if you tap that up, you'll come back to the Webkul Zoho connector section. Then you have the customers, products, and the order sections as well. So we'll take you through each of them one by one. So right now we are on the Webkul's Zoho connector initial configuration settings. So these are required basically, and here at the top you have the get access, and from here you'll be able to generate the access token and the refresh token. So you'll have to tap that particular key icon. Apart from that, you can enable or disable this particular functionality by choosing enable, or to disable, just choose the disabled option. Then you'll have to enter your client ID and the secret key along with the Zoho account email. So if you're registered on the CRM for the Zoho there, then you'll be able to generate the client ID and the client secret key, and that would have to be entered here within these two options here, along with your registered Zoho account email. And then just tap here on the save button to save the settings, and after that just tap here on the get access button, and you will be redirected to the accounts.zoho.com, and there you'll have to basically accept the data here, like the accounts, Zoho files, and the CRM. So you need to accept that up. After accepting that up, you'll be able to see the particular keys here for the access token and refresh token added, and then you'll once again tap here on the save button to save those credentials there. So if I tap here on the accept button, basically after accepting, it would redirect us back to this particular section again, and you can see that the access token has been updated. So we have updated the access token and the refresh token. Now how to get the client ID and the client secret. So for that, let me take you to the user guide of this particular plugin. You can also go through the same. So I've just attached one link in the description below of this particular video for your more information and for the doubt clarifications as well. And you can also check the live demo link that is there. Now after you've done with these, you just need to tap here on the save button. Now let me show you how you can get the client ID and the client secret, and how you can create a new app. So for that, so within the user guide, you'll just navigate to the retrieving client ID and the secret for the Zoho OpenCart integration. So first you need to navigate to this particular link, that's the Zoho CRM. And if you haven't created your account, you can create your account first. So after entering the details here, you just need to agree to their terms, tap here on the sign up button. Then you'll be receiving one confirmation mail on your mail ID that you added here while creating the account. And you'll also receive one mail that is as here you can see, hello and confirm your account. So from here, the user or the admin needs to click on the confirm your account button, and that will redirect the email configuration page from there. And the user needs to click on the verify button for the email confirmation, and that verifies your account, and you'll get one success message pop-up that displays that the account is verified. And after you have accessed your account, you'll be redirected to the Zoho CRM page, where the user needs to click on the get started for free button. And after that, you'll see this login option. So you'll have to enter your details and tap here on the get started option. And after getting started, you'll see this particular section here, and on the home page, and as you can see here within the image as well. So to create an app, you can go to this particular link that we have added within the user guide itself, and then you'll find the what we say as a choose a client type. Here you need to choose the server-based applications and tap the create button. And as soon as you do that, you'll have to add the details like the client details, the client secret, and the settings here. So the user needs to add the details, the client name, homepage URL as well, and the authorized redirect URL here. And that is when you're redirected back, what should be up with that. So you can tap here on the create button, and as soon as you've tapped on the create button, it redirects the customer to the client secret section, wherein the user can find the client ID and the client secret, as you can see within this particular image itself. So that was how you can easily get your client ID and the client secret for the configuration in the admin backend panel for this particular plugin. And I've, as already shown you, you can enter the client ID and the client secret here, your Zoho account email that you created, and the access token and the refresh token can be added by tapping here on the key icon that I had showed you earlier. So right now you need to tap this first, because there are no access and refresh tokens added. So you'll save it, then you'll find that particular key, tap that access token, the refresh token would be filled up. Then once again you'll have to tap the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this OpenCart Zoho connector plugin. So and this is how you can, after you've entered, you have saved the details. Now we'll tap here in the key icon, and that would add the access token, refresh token, and then just tap here in the save button once again. So that's how we can get the configuration keys there. We can get the account token and the refresh token, and how we can retrieve the client ID and the secret key from your Zoho OpenCart integration plugin. So now let's go through the different options that we have under the Webkul Zoho connector. Here we have the customer, and right now I'm in the customer section here, and here you can see that we have the option to export the customers, and we can also do an import of the customers from this CRM Zoho to the OpenCart Store, or we can do the synchronization of the customers from the OpenCart Store to the Zoho CRM as well. Apart from that, you can also filter out the customers using the customer name, customer email, and the synchronized source, whether it's from the OpenCart or from the Zoho itself. So you'll have to just choose the customer name, his email, the source, and then you'll have to tap here on the filter button, and that would filter out that particular customer according to the sync source as well. Now coming down here, you can see the complete list of synchronized customers with the customer name column, customer email, then the Zoho customer ID. After the customer has been exported to your Zoho CRM, you can find this particular Zoho customer ID available as well for your synchronized customers. And under the sync source, you can see the source as well. So here you can see that we have Zoho, the sync source was Zoho, it was OpenCart. Similarly, we had the Zoho as well. Now what you can do is you can also export the customers. Apart from that, you can delete any of the synchronized customer data in the section below by choosing that one up, and after you've selected that particular customer, you can basically tap on the delete button to delete that customer. Now let me refresh the page once, and to do an export you just need to tap here in the export customers there, and you can see that 3 customers been synchronizing, and the synchronization data is there, as you can see. So this is from the OpenCart to the Zoho account, and this will take a few moments, and you can see that we have a success message for the customer synchronization process has been completed successfully there. So that's how you can export the customers from your OpenCart store to your Zoho CRM. Similarly, you can import the customers from Zoho into your OpenCart web store by just tapping here in the import customer button, and the proper processing would start thereafter, and then it will be importing the customer details from the Zoho CRM into your OpenCart web store, and that import data would also be visible here, as you can see, from Zoho to OpenCart store. This was from the OpenCart source to the Zoho CRM. So just take a few seconds there, and then your import customers would be done, and that way you will be able to import your customers very easily, and the customers have been imported. Now let's navigate to the product section. So I'll just tap on that, and let's see what options are there for the products there. So I've just tapped on that, and this particular product section would come up. So here we are on the Zoho product synchronization section. So similarly, you can export the products from your OpenCart store to the Zoho CRM there under your account, and you can also delete any of the products that you've already synchronized. And after synchronization, you can see the complete list of synchronized products with the product name, their model, the Zoho product ID, and the synchronized source. So here you can see that the sync source is OpenCart. So we have exported the products from OpenCart into the Zoho CRM itself, and here we have a lot of other products as well, and that's how basically you can synchronize your products. And to import the products from the Zoho CRM into your OpenCart, you can tap this import product button, and that would start the synchronization, and then that synchronized product would get displayed under the synchronized product section. So similarly, to export the products, you just need to tap here on the exporting product or export product button, and that would start the synchronization of the products. And similarly for the import one, you can tap here on the import product to import the products from the Zoho CRM into your OpenCart web store. And this is how the products would start synchronizing from your OpenCart to the Zoho CRM. So you can see that 3 products being synchronized, and here you can see the success message for the export is there. And after synchronization, you will be again taken back to the Zoho product synchronization section, and from here you can import the products by just tapping in the import button, and that would start the import of products from the Zoho CRM into your OpenCart web store. Now let's check the last option that we have here for the orders. So let me tap here in the orders submenu option under the Webkul Zoho connector, and that brings up the Zoho order synchronization section here, and all of the synchronized orders basically would be visible here, as you can see. So if I scroll down, we have the synchronized orders along with the customer name, the OpenCart order ID, and the Zoho order ID along with that. And we also have the synchronized source, so we have done it from the OpenCart to the Zoho, OpenCart to Zoho. So it has the order ID 4 in OpenCart, and the same is reflected with a different order ID at Zoho itself. Now one more thing is that one can update the products and customers on both sides. So if you have done it on Zoho, when updating, it would automatically update on OpenCart and vice versa as well. So from here the admin can basically export the orders to the Zoho CRM, and to do that he just needs to tap here on the export order button that we can see, and that would start synchronizing the orders. As you can see here, the orders have been synchronized, and then we'll redirect it to this particular page, and here we can then check the particular synchronized order as per our requirement there. So these were the three options for the Webkul Zoho connector. That was the customer, product, and the orders section. So I just showed you how to import export customer, import export product, and export the orders from your OpenCart web store to your Zoho CRM there itself. Now after this, the admin can check how the customer's product and orders are synchronized in Zoho CRM. So for that, he'll have to navigate to the Zoho CRM customer, product, and order page views by logging into his account at www.zoho.com/CRM/CRM plus, and then you can see the customer sync view, the product sync view, and the order sync view there, and the admin can edit an order to view the complete details of that, and the details will be visible under the edit sales order page on the CRM itself. And apart from that, the admin can also navigate through stores, and then basically the sales, and then he'll have to go to the option that's the orders, and can view the details of the respective orders as well from this section as well. So let me give you a glimpse of the CRM end as well. So this is the CRM. I've logged into that, and here you can see under contacts we have the complete list of contacts that we have exported from the OpenCart to the Zoho CRM itself. This one is for the sales orders that we have exported from the OpenCart store into the Zoho CRM itself. And here under the Zoho order synchronization, you can see that we had Dan Wick's order ID for OpenCart was 132178 for the Zoho ID, and the source was from OpenCart to CRM. Now if you see here, we have Dan Wilkin, creation date, the total, the name of the contact name, and the details for the sales order as well under the sales order. So that's how we can export the orders from the OpenCart web store into your Zoho account there, or the Zoho CRM account. And the admin can also edit any of the sales order. As you can see, I'm here at the edit sales order section, and from here the admin can edit any of the details as per his own requirement there, and he can also add more items as well, and then can save the same, and by tapping here on the save button. And when this sales order is synchronized from the Zoho CRM to the OpenCart web store, then the updated details would also be there, and the particular order within the OpenCart store would be updated according to the data that is here within the Zoho CRM itself. And as I told you, we can also check the details by navigating through sales and then orders, and here you can find the details of the order that you have exported there. And here we have the MacBook itself. So that was much about the OpenCart Zoho CRM integration plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. You can also contact us through www.webkul.com/contact. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.